No. Stopping to look at herself instead of sing. How far will you go?
Tiffy,
Come on,
what are you doing?
Come on, guys.
Okay.
We're walking.
Follow Ate, Siffy.
Come on, Tiffy. Don't run on. Okay. Are we marching?
Yeah, we're marching.
I hear the crow. Oh,
Ah.
there's no one. He says, ah. No, that's not yours. Stay away from it. Don't go near it. It's not yours.
Okay.
Take your time.
Follow the leader, Tiffy.
Look around.
Over here, Sammy.
Yeah.
Heading to the camp.
See this? The weed. It's actually good to eat. You can make a salad out of that. Oh.
I love salad.
And what does this look like? Look at these leaves.
They're like four-leaf clover.
No, they look like wild strawberries.
And these look like four-leaf clover.
Yeah. They look like a wild strawberry growing. Ah.
Yeah. When the strawberries grow, what about this? They're not.
Oh yeah, I see that.
You can make a salad out of that.
Yes, you
one.
can.
Her.
What's that sound?
Geese. Yeah, there they are.
Look, they're flying, Sammy. Look.
They're gonna come. Canadian geese. Hey.
Tiffy.
Don't go running towards the water, child.
What are yellow flowers called?
Yellow
I
flowers?
don't know what they are, baby.
We'll check on the computer tonight. What else? You see something in there?
And all I see beside it is sticks,
Mm.
broken ones.
Yeah.
All I see is broken sticks.
Well, Tiffy will take all the sticks.
Okay,
I think Tiffy's going to make a fire somewhere from the looks of it. See, there it goes. It's a helicopter. Bring it back here. So it's
Come here.
go that way. You got to throw it up, baby.
Up, baby, up.
Three, two, one, blast off!
Oh my
See where it
goodness.
comes from? Look here.
Oh.
It's a seed.
Tiffy.
They get to a certain point and they get dark like that and they're seeds, and then the wind blows and they go flying out through the world to plant more trees. Hey, you need to get your magnifying.
What did you observe, Sammy?
I saw these flowers are pretty and great.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful, huh?
Yeah, beautiful. Now did you find something for us?
Well, we have to
I
keep
found
looking.
another helicopter.
You're going to find lots of helicopters, baby. These trees got them all over them.
I made one. Here, Mommy. Hold my magnifying glass.
Okay.
Look at him come. He's running to, oh, there's two of them over there. That guy threw him a nut. He's sitting there eating three of them.
Whoa, look at
Look at
that.
them all come. They like him.
Look at that.
Look, see there. He's got peanuts. Look.
Oh. Oh, he's following.
He's following. He wants more nuts, buddy.
He's following. Look at that. Somebody's on
We'll
the...
have to get some peanuts and bring down here for your squirrels. What do you think?
Well, somebody on the trash.
Yeah, they're all over right here. See them sitting there eating this nut?
Okay, we're going to the playground.
Zoom in, Mom.
Look, Teffy. Yeah.
Close your run.
Oh, somebody pooping me.
You can't go on it, baby. They got it taped off.
Somebody poop on me.
Are you done riding?
Yeah, I did it.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's a toy.
Oh, Jasmine's hair tickles. No, don't shove it in my mouth. Hey. No fight, no fight. I'll bite you, chew your fingers off. Man, I come back, wait a minute. Here. Don't fall on the dog again. Oh, what are we doing? On my head? It's on my head. Okay. I don't know it's on my head. What are we doing now? Minnie, what you doing, Minnie? Minnie. Minnie's on my other head. The other side of my head. Oh. Minnie's hanging on by her fingers. She grabbed my ear? Yeah. Uh-oh.